Hello everyone. I'm making this recording to show you an indicator I'm currently working on. It is called MoneyFlow indicator. I'm adding this indicator to two Quantower charts. One 1 minute chart, and the other one is 5 or 15-minute chart, depending on your choice. This will show me the trend, the expected trend on both long and short time frames. I'll explain what I'm showing you here. This is the DOM surface, just to show you the buys and sells. And I have the time statistics, the trades, the volumes, the buy volume, sell volume, delta, average buy size, average sell size, and maximum one trade. Just basically to see a single trade, and if it is a buy or sell trade, it will give me a hint or a rough estimate which on which side this kind of big buy or big sell. So I can expect, once the buy is happening here, I can expect the trend to go up. This is a very good sign. The indicator is very simple. It shows you the daily volume worth of traded assets, the buy volume, the sell volume, and its value in, this is for example as a cryptocurrency, so it will give you its value in a stable coin, the USDT. If you are viewing a stock, it will give you the value in US dollars. I'm showing this is the buy value, this is the sell value, and this is the difference in percentage between the buy and sell. As long as the difference is very high, we will be seeing the as we can see, the candle is dropping, and as long as this stays high and the difference stays above 15%, the candle will remain dropping. We are taking the longer time frame, the bigger time frame, the 15-minute, as a kind of a assurance that the trend is still going down. As long as it doesn't go below 15, like example for here, we are below 15 on both trends, and this means that buyers are coming in and the trend is changing a little bit. If we moved again above 15% difference in the favor of the sell, then we are expecting the downtrend will probably continue. And as we can see how the candle is moving, let's wait and see. It's now dropping. So we can see what's going on with the market as the candle is building. We are still have a high sell volume, and this is why we are dropping down. If this kind of behavior changed in the favor of the buy, the candle will move up a little bit. Now we are having more buys coming on the shorter time frame, and we are moving up a little bit. On the longer time frame, we are dropping below 15%, so the uptrend might continue. We are 55% buy. So this kind of indicator will help you if you are a scalper. You are making kind of a very rapid buy and sell orders. It will show you how market is moving and while the candle is being built. This is basically will give you an idea about what's going on in the market instantaneously. I'm still working on it. I'm planning on, instead of showing one instance per time frame, I'm trying to make this a multi-time frame indicator, so you can set up the two, see the behavior of the two frames in the same indicator, so we don't have to open 2 charts or 3 charts side by side to see the trend. If it is, we are still in the downtrend, as we can see here from the 15-minute time frame. We are still in a downtrend direction. This is really expected. Now it's observable, and instead of just guessing it, I'm not relying on technical analysis or anything. I'm just looking at the indicator, but you can still rely on technical analysis. Where still the sell is really high, and I'm expecting the trend to remain going down unless this changes to higher green or higher buys. Buyers are coming in now. Buyers are coming in very strongly, and the candle is expected to move up on the shorter time frame a little bit. We are dropping below 15. We are reaching 15. We are probably going to be dropping below 15. This could indicate a reverse in the trend. In this candle, we need to be looking carefully for this. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to convert this to a strategy or something that can harvest this kind of information and how to deal with it instantaneously. I'm still not sure about that, but we are now, as we can see, we are having a high buy, and the buys are in a very high kind of a volume, high stress. I don't know if I said this before or not, but this indicator relies on the volume analysis tools, so you have to be subscribed to this volume analysis so this indicator can work, otherwise it will not work with you. I will stop here. This sell, because we dropped below 15, the effect of the sellers are growing and we are dropping. So the 15%, first 15% is very critical to keep an eye for. If the buys are high, but within the 15%, this can indicate that the trend could favor the other kind of trend, is the sell trend in this case, and it will be quite noticeable on the even higher time frame. If we went, for example, the 30 minutes time frame or higher, we can see this as a sell signal, not buy. So you need to have multiple time frames so you can understand where the trend is exactly going, but keep an eye for the 15% difference. If we drop below the 15%, anything can, I mean, if buyers are slightly higher, it can favor the sell. Sellers are slightly higher, they can favor the buy, as long as you are within the 15%. If you are higher than 15%, you are confident that the trend will probably remain the same. We are still in the sell direction. On the longer time frame, this means within the longer time frames, you are expected to drop. In the shorter time frame, these are mainly candles are moving up and building the wicks and the body of the candle, so they are moving, they have to move up and down, and this is why on the shorter time frame this kind of buys and sells are changing rapidly. They are probably going to be more stable in the longer time frame. If you are going long on the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours time frame, it depends on which time frame you are going to be trading on. I will stop here, and you'll probably I don't know if I'm going to be releasing it now, but I'm going to be giving you an idea for a feedback if you think this is good, bad, or if you want me to maybe tweak it a little bit. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing next. Thank you, and good luck for you trading.